Hello, traders and investors. Welcome back to Explain the Charts, your one-stop shop for detailed price analysis and market insights. Today we're diving into the world of Bitcoin, specifically looking at BTCUSD, to understand the current market situation and what it might mean for our trading decisions. Let's start by looking at the recent news surrounding Bitcoin and gauge the market sentiment. The recent news is dominated by the U.S. Federal Reserve's decision to cut interest rates by 50 basis points, the first such cut in 4 years. This move has sent shockwaves through the market, with Bitcoin surging to over $60,000. Many analysts are attributing this surge to the Fed's actions, suggesting that easier borrowing costs and increased liquidity are driving investors towards riskier assets like Bitcoin. Another noteworthy piece of news is BlackRock's bullish Bitcoin report, which has further fueled optimism within the crypto community. BlackRock, a global investment management giant, has stated its belief that Bitcoin is gaining relevance as a financial asset, particularly in the current economic landscape. This institutional interest is seen as a strong indicator of Bitcoin's growing legitimacy and potential for future growth. Now, let's take a look at the charts to see how this news is reflected in price action. If we zoom out and look at the daily chart, we see a clear upward trend in Bitcoin's price over the past few months. The recent rate cut has accelerated this upward momentum, with the price breaking through several resistance levels. This suggests that the bulls are firmly in control, and the market is likely to continue trending upwards in the short term. However, let's not get carried away by the current euphoria. There are potential headwinds to consider, such as the upcoming Bank of Japan's policy meeting. If the BOJ raises rates, it could have a negative impact on Bitcoin's price, as it could strengthen the Japanese yen and trigger a sell-off in the Japanese stock market, which could cascade into the crypto market. It's important to remember that the market is constantly evolving and nothing is guaranteed. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. On the 1-hour chart, we can see a series of higher highs and higher lows, confirming the upward trend. The most recent price surge was particularly sharp, with Bitcoin pushing through the $62,000 level. This suggests that the bulls are highly motivated, and the momentum is likely to remain strong. However, it's worth noting that the recent surge has been fueled by the rate cut, which could make the market more susceptible to short-term volatility. We could see a pullback if the market consolidates or if the BOJ's decision turns out to be unfavorable. Therefore, it's crucial to be aware of potential reversals and manage your risk accordingly. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to get a sense of the short-term sentiment. On the 15-minute chart, we can see a lot of short-term fluctuations, but the overall trend remains positive. The price is currently consolidating above the $62,000 level, suggesting that the bulls are taking a breather. This could be a healthy consolidation before a further push upwards, or it could be a sign of waning momentum, so it's important to monitor the price action closely. Now, let's identify the key support and resistance levels to keep an eye on. On the daily chart, the $60,000 level has proven to be a strong support level in recent weeks. If the price falls below this level, it could signal a loss of momentum and potentially trigger a short-term reversal. On the upside, the $64,000 level seems to be the next major resistance level to watch. Breaking through this level would open the door for further price gains and potentially signal a continuation of the current bull market. Let's shift back to the 1-hour chart to look at the short-term support and resistance levels. On the 1-hour chart, the $62,000 level is now acting as a short-term support level. A break below this level could signal a pullback or a potential shift in momentum. The $63,000 level is the next major resistance level to watch. A successful break above this level would likely result in a continued upward trend in the short term. Finally, let's discuss the reasons to be bullish or bearish on Bitcoin and what to watch for in the coming days. The bullish case for Bitcoin is strong at the moment, driven by the Fed's rate cut, BlackRock's bullish report, and the overall positive market sentiment. However, it's important to be aware of the potential headwinds, such as the BOJ's decision and the possibility of a pullback due to overbought conditions. The bearish case hinges on the BOJ's decision and the possibility of a market correction after the recent surge. If the price breaks below the $60,000 level on the daily chart, it could signal a short-term reversal and a potential shift in momentum. To summarize, here are the key takeaways for your trading decisions. The $60,000 level on the daily chart is a critical support level to watch. A break below this level could signal a short-term reversal. On the upside, the $64,000 level is the next major resistance level to watch. Breaking through this level would likely result in a continued upward trend. In the short term, the $62,000 level on the 1-hour chart is acting as a support level. A break below this level could signal a pullback. The $63,000 level is the next major resistance level to watch. Breaking through this level would likely result in a continued upward trend. Keep an eye on the upcoming BOJ's decision, as it could have a significant impact on Bitcoin's price. Monitor the price action on the 15-minute chart for signs of consolidation or a shift in momentum. Remember to always manage your risk effectively and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow traders and investors.